this video, we'll show you how to assign the knobs on your MIDI controller to any function in your DAW, and how to record automation using these knobs. In the video MIDI Controllers Part 1, you've learned how to set up your MIDI controller. Let's use our MIDI controller to record some volume automation. To assign a knob to a parameter in your DAW, right-click the parameter you want to automate and select Link to Controller. Now turn a knob or slider on your MIDI controller. You will see the connection is made. Select Song Mode to record into the arrangement. To record the automation, click Record and select Notes and Automation. After you stop the recording, you will see that the automation is recorded as a pattern. Now you have learned how to assign parameters to knobs on your controller and how to record automation.